Okay, here's the next artist that's here at the gallery, Glow Galleries. She's called Adja Art Jewelry by Robin Cano. And she has a little write-up about herself right there. And this is her project. Nice necklace, a bracelet. She says it's a woman holding a vibrator on her stomach. I don't know, I can't tell, but that's what she says it is. and then she's got this, which is kind of cool. And this thing, I like that. And then she's got some other pieces here. That's cool too. I don't know. I always thought that was amazing. And then she's got these things. I guess they're earrings. I don't know. Earrings. And then she's got these. And then this. And then this thing. But anyways, this is her exhibit. They're going to have a show here tomorrow.